In this video, I'm sat in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to reset the maintenance light on the car. So we have just done an oil change on the car and also rotated the tyres. So the next step is to reset this light. Now this is all done through the entertainment screen, so you do need the car ignition on to do this. And we're going to be using this scroller here. So just by pressing the home button, it'll actually bring up this page here. And then we're going to turn this knob all the way to where it says applications on the left and then press it in. Once we've done that, we've got fuel economy monitor, maintenance and warning guidance. We're going to go in maintenance. Again, just press that button in. And then we've got, that's when the scheduled maintenance was. So it was done 5,000 kilometers ago. So this is the next one. So we've done another oil change in 5,000 kilometers. So we're just going to go into there and then we're going to go time due. And then when we hit reset, do you want to reset it? Yes, we do. And we go 6 months or 10,000 kilometers time. We get it back. We can do the same for the tyre rotation. Again, down to reset. Do you want to reset it? Yep, reset. That's due in 10,000 kilometers. We can then also go down to oil change, which we've just done. So we're going to hit reset. Do you want to reset that? Yes. So that's all done. So when we hit the home button, that takes us back to that main screen and our maintenance light has now gone. So there we go, that's how easy it is to reset the maintenance light on a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.